to show you guys these chocolate powders that I purchased for my family and myself. I don't know about you guys, my kids, I have 3 kids, and also myself, I find that I'm not always eating all the different recommended vegetables and fruits and like digestive benefits that something like this will provide. So I try to add one to a smoothie. You definitely need to mix it. It almost comes out like a chocolate powder, almost like a hot chocolate packet would. You mix one in like 8 ounces, 6 to 8 ounces of a milk. I use with almond milk, or again, I would throw it in the blender for like the best to get it really mixed in. There's so many like positive benefits. You can read all about it. It is a chocolate flavor. My son definitely does not mind the taste, but it doesn't taste like a hot chocolate packet. It kind of, it's similar, but has a different texture to it a little bit. Definitely give these a try though if you're trying to get your kids to get in their fruits and vegetables. 55 ingredients, and as well as a digestive and brain health with no sugar. So I'm really happy with these. I'm glad that we have them. You can see this is like what it comes out is like a chocolate milk in here. Really happy with these. I would definitely give these a try.